The electrode potentials of Cu plus 2 to Cu and Cu plus 2 Cu are given as 0.34 and 0.5 volts. Calculate the electrode potential of Cu plus 2 to Cu plus 1 it is. So I will show you how to calculate electrode potential of the Cu plus 2 to Cu plus 1. First, the reaction here taking place in different ways. One is direct step, another one is two-step reaction, multiple step. Here first one, direct step. When Cu plus 2 undergoes direct reduction, the E0 value here plus 0.34. It is a direct step. Consider here delta Z naught is equal to, we have the formula minus NF E0 cell. That is equal to minus N is number of electrons are 2. F E0 cell value is 0.34. Okay, that is direct step. Next, indirect step. That means conversion of the reduction of the Cu plus 2 to Cu takes place in two steps. One is Cu plus 2 plus 1 electron gives rise to Cu plus 1. Consider this as a E10, its value we need to find. Here delta, consider this as delta Z1 naught is equal to minus NF E0 cell, N is 1, F E10. Then Cu plus 1 on reduction will form Cu. Here consider this as E20, its E20 value how much is given? 0.5. 0.5, consider this as delta Z2 minus 1 into F into E20 value. What is the E20 value? 0.5. Now the Gibbs energy changes, standard Gibbs energy change when Cu plus 2 directly converts to Cu is equal to the sum of the Gibbs energy changes in these two reactions. So delta G is equal to delta Z1 naught plus delta Z2 naught. Delta Z1 naught is minus 2F into 0.34 is equal to delta G1 is how much value it is? Minus F into E10, and then plus into delta Z2 is minus F into 0.5. Minus F, if we take the common, 2 into 0.34 is 0.68 is equal to minus F into E10 plus 0.5. Minus F will get cancelled. E10 is equal to 0.68 minus 0.5, that is equal to 0.18 volts. Okay, like this we can calculate the electrode potential.